going to face the right-hand corner. She's going to take her right leg around. It makes contact with the floor. And then she lays down. Yep. From here, weight's going to go into the left toe on the top of it as she really pushes into it and then switches to come down. Beautiful. The right arm is going to sweep above her head and tuck underneath. Yes. So all she's doing is bringing it up over her head this way and it tucks underneath. Yep. Yeah. And the whole time keeping contact with the floor so it never pops off. Yeah. Beautiful. Yes. And then again, that note about keeping multiple points of contact. When you see Emily moving, you see her toes, her fingers, everything that can be pushing weight into the floor is. Hi, I'm Kat Cheng, and if you cutie kittens want to come dance with me, come on over to DancePlug and take my contemporary class.